State your name. Of. State your address. Having graduated from MICA University of Science and Technology, hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully perform to the best of my ability the duties of a member of Pinag-isang Samahan ng mga Alumni ng NUST Incorporated, that I will support and defend its constitutions and bylaws, and that of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the Association, and that I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, graduates.